Yeah, you heard I was coming, you heard me. You heard my flow before you heard me already. You know what I roll, you know how I go. Rhyme another time. Even though time stops on the dime, I'm not gonna let that stop my time. I'ma rhyme, cause I'm good at it and I am good at anything I put my mind to. Anybody can do it, you can do it too. Just cause I'm doing it myself doesn't mean you can't do it for yourself. This is how I make a living, this is how I go. If you think you can do it, then you should go too. Damn. Anybody can do what I do. Yo, baby, come on, let's go. I'ma teach you the fucking flow. I'ma teach you the ropes. Let's fucking go. I'ma go. I'ma fly high to the fucking sky. Make this fucking girl wanna have my dick into her body. I'ma let her keep it, yeah. Cause ain't nothing gonna happen today. If you don't do nothing today, you're gonna stay the same tomorrow. You're just letting time fly by. You wasting time, you looking at yourself in the fucking mirror thinking about what to do. But you already know what to fucking do. You just don't wanna do it. You stop yourself from being the best that you can be. Why is all these motherfuckers thinking of plan B? Do your fucking shit straight, do your fucking shit right. Only have to do it one fucking time. Yeah. Only have to do it one fucking time. Fuck it. Cause no one knows when they know that shit ain't gonna go the same way. Shit can't change any fucking day. I can get fucking shot. Who knows what the hell gonna happen to me in a couple of years. I do know what I'm doing today though. I know where I wanna go, I know what I wanna be. I know I have goals today. I didn't know I was gonna be in this position when I was small, cause no one taught me. But I wanna inspire everybody to be what they wanna be. Cause ain't nobody gonna stop you from doing that. Only gonna stop yourself if you wanna be. Damn. Know how to fucking go, know how to fucking roll, know how to fucking walk. Cause you gotta know how to flow the flow when you roll in the fucking swimming puck. Hey, make sure you know your fucking shit, man. Nobody gonna tell you for you, nobody gonna say it for you. Ain't nobody out here for you, man. Only family is the real shit. But sometimes even they can be fake. But they family, nothing matter when they with you. Forever and ever, they always have your back, they always stay beside you. They need to be the ones on your list in your fucking priority. I'm serious, this shit isn't no fucking delirium. No delirious shit, I'm talking serious. You gonna learn eventually, nigga. I'm trying to tell you right now, trying to tell you before you find out the wrong way, nigga. Trying to make sure you find a way. Come on, yo. Do it right. We gotta go somewhere. Everybody's gonna do something today. We got 80 motherfucking years to live. Since I'm 20, all I know is I wanna make it to 100. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. I'm making sure I know what I wanna do. And these 80 fucking years, 80 years to myself, 80 years doing this, 80 years on this shit. Oh my goodness.